In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to combine multiple Google Sheets together. Managing data spread across different sheets can be a bit daunting, but once you learn how to consolidate them, you'll find it incredibly useful and efficient. Let's get started. First, you'll want to open a new or existing Google Sheet where you'd like to combine all your data. If you haven't worked with Google Sheets before, just head over to your Google account, navigate to Google Drive, and create a new sheet. You'll likely see the familiar grid layout as soon as you open this tool, which allows you to process and manage your data seamlessly. Now, we need to specify where we want our combined data to land. Select a cell by simply clicking on it. This should be an empty cell in the sheet where you want the data from other sheets to appear. Remember, choosing a good starting point is important as it will determine where your combined data flows into your sheet. Once you've selected the appropriate cell, it's time to enter a formula. Here's the part where you'll actually stitch the sheets together. Go ahead and type in an equal sign, followed by an open curly bracket. This is where things get a bit technical, but don't worry, I'll break it down for you. After the curly bracket, you'll want to specify the cell ranges you'd like to combine. Go to tab 2, for example, and choose your cell range. Do the same for tab 3, and separate those ranges with a semicolon. The formula structure is flexible, allowing you to add more ranges from additional tabs if necessary. Once you've inputted your desired ranges, close it up with a closing curly bracket. This formula essentially tells Google Sheets to combine the selected data into your chosen cell, pulling information from the specified tabs. It's a powerful feature that enables you to merge datasets for seamless analysis. Finally, hit the Enter key to execute your formula. If everything is entered correctly, Google Sheets should automatically populate the selected cell with data from the specified ranges. Keep an eye on your data alignment and ensure everything appears as expected. If something's off, double-check your formula for any typos or miscalculations. Combining multiple Google Sheets into one can significantly streamline your data management process. It's all about understanding the formula and the way Google Sheets handles references. Make a habit of verifying that your data is consistent across each sheet, and remember to save your work regularly to avoid any loss. By following these straightforward steps, you can efficiently merge multiple sheets into a single, more manageable view. This skill will undoubtedly enhance your productivity and make handling large datasets a breeze. Thanks for watching, and happy data organizing.